Good morning, Discover Your Path You. This is Andrea Hendron, Chief Spiritual Officer, and it's really funny. I'm doing this on the page instead of the group, and for some reason I'm nervous. It's like that's not my usual thing. I usually feel like I'm talking to my family. And I still am talking to my family, but I don't know what the shift is, but I'm going with it. So today, I want to talk to you a little bit from my heart. Breakthrough and breakdown. And in the process of, hi, good morning, Beth, of becoming something new. And I think we're all at that place right now of becoming something new. It's required of our beingness on our earth, our planet at this time. And quite often what goes along with that is the total breakdown of everything that is normal. And that's what's sort of going through my life right now, is a breakdown of what I consider to be normal. And the more I release, the more I relax, the more I surrender. I have to surrender. I can't hold, as my friend said, all these plates going all at the same time. Things are somewhat getting better in a funny kind of way. An example, just things around the house. We're trying to clean things up around here and straighten things up. And, one thing after another, the chainsaw breaks. I think if you're friends with me, you've seen a lot of my bonfires at my house. We're just cleaning stuff up and the chainsaw broke. After I did all this surrender stuff, and it's just like, what the hell? I give. The chainsaw works. And now it's fixed. It's like, is that just a quirk? Is that synchronicity? It's a small thing, but it meant a lot. It's like, wow, all right, let's surrender some more. Let's just let the divine plan of my life unfold without me trying to manipulate it so much. Now, I will say there are things that you want to do. There are things that, surprisingly and yet not surprisingly, I put into my class for abundance and prosperity. And surrender is one of them, not giving up. Standing strong in the source of who you are, knowing who you are. Because if you start believing the world as to who you are, I'm sorry, you're lost. It's just, it's not going to survive. You're not going to survive. You're right. So this week, my plan is to talk a little bit about this each time, because I don't like to do long lives. I like to do short ones. But consider this, that there is nothing going on that's wrong. You didn't do anything wrong. What's unfolding is a natural progression. It is something that if we were more awake and aware, I know in my heart that things can be easier, they can be lighter, and they can be gentler. But most of us wait. I can see the places in my life where I coulda, shoulda, woulda, and made this lighter and easier. I chose not to. Actually, I chose not to on purpose quite a few years back. I actually told the universe, don't touch my finances. I'm not going to play with that one, and don't touch my relationships. I'm not going to play with that one. I'll do the other ones. We'll save that other shit for another lifetime. The universe has told me BS. So there we go. There we go. Nothing wrong. You're doing it right. It's going to be all right. And if you need help, we've got a lot of coaches in this group. I would love to talk to you. Private message me. Take my class. Take any of the classes that we've got to offer and got coming up in DipU. But you can do this with community. P8 is another thing. Beth Gray is in charge of that. It's a wonderful resource. Support yourself, because we will get through this. We will get to the other side. I can't guarantee what it's going to look like, but I've been through things like this before in my life, and I'll talk later about them in the week. I've had breast lumps. I've had chaos with houses and lawsuits and things like that. There is another shore. There is another shore you're going to get to. But how you're going to get to it is what I hope to help you with, to keep your head above water and to flow. All right, dear ones. It's enough for today. Love you very much. Namaste. Have a wonderful day.